Hello, this message is for the men out there. This is Cochise Pearson, and I'm coming at you with a very good topic today. We are going to talk about how to attract the opposite sex, but more importantly, how you can move forward with making sure that woman is happy financially. Now, what I mean by that, and don't get it twisted, is it's important as a man that you are holding down the fort. And when you are seriously, romantically involved with a woman, you want to make sure that you can provide for her in terms of having money for her to get her nails done, her feet done, her hair to look very pretty for you. There's a lot as a man that we must step up to the plate to make sure that our woman, once again, is financially happy. Now, I know that some people listening to this message will probably be offended, but I am speaking the truth in terms of how a man should always make sure that he is top of his game regarding his pocket, because that is one element that attracts a woman. Now, my name is, once again, Cochise Pearson. If you like this content, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Also, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button. And we're talking about how you can make your woman happy. And for number one, in my opinion, you got to make sure your wallet is full. That's right. So I am going to recommend 3 books to help you guys on how to achieve economic mobility. And that means moving forward with you understanding the difference between an asset and a liability. Now, here we go. The first book that I read many years ago that helped me to enhance my financial literacy, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. And it is a very compelling book because he teaches you how to understand your net worth. For example, let's say that you own a house and it's worth $100,000 and you only owe, let's say, $25,000. So you have a high net worth of $75,000. In this book, he highlights the importance of you understanding your net worth and how you can significantly increase your net worth. The Millionaire Next Door. Moving forward, the second book that I recommend for my brothers, it is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. And this book, he hits it right on the nail. You got to make sure that you are very consistent with building up your net worth, and that is investing on a regular basis. Now, in this book, he illuminates that most people make their financial decisions based on emotional instead of logic. But the key to getting rich is being logically consistent in your actions, which means that if you are buying stocks or contributing to an index fund, you want to do it on a regular basis. That can be monthly or bi-weekly. You figure it out. But the key to you moving up that ladder to achieve financial success so that your woman can be happy, You got to be consistent with making sure you are on top of your game, building up that asset column. Now, briefly, I want to talk about the difference between an asset and a liability. Now, an asset is when you are putting money into the column that is going to help you generate extra money. For example, that's like buying stocks. That's like buying bonds. That's like buying a house, like a rental property. You are building your asset column. Now, I want to just talk very briefly about a liability. A liability is when you use your credit card and you're out for lunch or dinner and you got to pay that money back. And you have a perpetual habit of using that credit card. Money is coming out your pocket. That's a liability. And lastly, the book that I want to pivot to is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And this is a very powerful book. Whether you're paying off debt or saving for a home, once you have your definite chief aim, the author emphasizes the importance of positive thinking and eliminating mental barriers. Believing in yourself and removing self-sabotaging thoughts are crucial to achieving your goals. So, what that means basically is that every day you want to make sure that you work on having positive thoughts. And that is waking up saying that today is going to be a good day, or going to the gym, working out, or just, going for a long walk. You got to figure out what you can do that will put you in the right positive mindset so that you do not allow negative thoughts to impact you mentally and emotionally. And when you're able to do this, that will put you on the path of financial prosperity. Why? Because eventually you will cross that finish line and have a very good net worth. You heard it from me, Cochise Pearson. And if you like this content, I want you to give me a thumbs up. And once again, if this is your first time checking in at my YouTube channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button. Now, check out my video on what you need to do to achieve economic mobility. Thank you.